Next, we want the people to take to the streets, not to topple the government, yet, but to demand three things muna. Three things. Number one, that the House of Representatives cleanse itself by electing a new speaker. Dahil tainted na po ang leadership ng ating speaker. Cleanse itself and redeem its credibility before the eyes of the people. Number two, let us appeal to the new Blue Ribbon Committee Chairman, Senator Ping Lacson, to continue the work of Senator Marcoleta. Let the hammer fall where it may. Number three, yung Truth Commission ni Pangulong Marcos, lagdaan na niya, sabi, ready na daw eh. Para malaman natin yung sincerity ng Pangulo o ito talaga ay independent, no nonsense, and aim towards attaining the truth. Yun muna po ang tatlong